Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an image carousel on Canva. So add like 3 frames or 5 and make this one like smaller. Place it in the middle of these two or like try to maybe like here. Group them and layer it behind. Then you're just going to want to add in some pictures. I'll add this one here, this one here, this one here, this one at the back here, and one more here at the back. Then you're going to want to duplicate the page, but you're going to move this photo here, and this photo here. I'll show you in a minute what I mean. So this photo on the right, and then this one here, and then that one here, and then this one here, whoops, and then the purple one here. And you're going to do it until everything has been like revealed, I guess. So again, we're going to move this one to here, and then this one here. We're gonna move this one here, and then I think it's this here, and this one here. And then I'm just going to show like until here, but you're going to do it for all of it. Then in the middle, go to the add transition and add in the match and move one to all of the video transition. You can adjust how long you want the transition to be, but that's pretty much it. You can also like change the duration to probably around 1 second or 1.5 second per slide here. And you're just going to keep doing this. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!